Installer configuration menu for the easy install. The control can be configured at the equipment by utilizing the configuration plug-in tool, the F4 1400. The tool mounts to the back of the interface and plugs into the bottom of the control via the RJ11 connection. With control powered, interface is used to configure the application and for operational checks. Once 24 volts is powered to the control, you will see the word searching scrolling across the LED display. When the interface and the module communicate, it will then say control found. You can now enter and navigate the advanced installer configuration menu. Touch and hold the installer config key for approximately 3 seconds to enter the thermostat operations configuration menu. Touch and hold the install config key again for approximately 3 seconds to enter the advanced installer configuration menu. Menu item 1, outdoor and condenser configuration. This unit can be configured for a single stage or multi-stage air conditioner, single stage or multi-stage heat pump, or no air conditioning. Item number 2, indoor heat configuration. This is where you choose whether it's going to be gas or a heat pump, electric. It can be single stage or multi-stage gas, single stage or multi-stage electric, or a fan coil or a handling unit. Menu item 3 is the reversing valve. Your choices are O or B. Are you going to energize in heating, or are you going to energize in cooling for the reversing valve? Menu item 4, 5, and 6 deal with cycle rates, the number of times the equipment will turn on and off in an hour. If you select fast, you will have shorter cycles per hour and much tighter control of temperature. If you select slow, you will have fewer cycles per hour and longer run times, typically used on an air conditioner or heat pump in air conditioning to dehumidify better. Item 7, energy management recovery. With a selection of on, the system will start temperature setback recovery early to reach the program set point at the program start time. A selection of off will start the recovery period at the program start time. Menu item 8, outdoor remote sensor. A selection of on enables the display of the outdoor temperature. Menu item 9, auxiliary off. When condenser is heat pump configured and outdoor sensor is connected, the option of locking out the auxiliary heat based on outdoor ambient temperature becomes available. The default is off, with a selection range of 80 to 35 degrees in 1 degree increments. Menu item 10, dual fuel configuration. When condenser is heat pump and indoor heat is gas and outdoor sensor is connected, a selection from 0 to 50 in 1 degree increments is available. The auxiliary fossil fuel system is enabled and the heat pump is disabled when the outdoor ambient temperature is at or below the selected temperature. Menu item 11, dehumidification. You have a choice of between 40 and 80% relative humidity settings for the dehumidification. If the relative humidity is above the setting, a cooling call is initiated. To turn this feature off, raise the setting to its highest level of 80%. Menu item 12, independent dehumidification. When on is selected, the DHM2 output is active when humidity level is above the desired dehumidification setting. Menu item 13 is humidification. You have a choice between 20 and 60% relative humidity. If relative humidity is below the setting for the HM2 output, it is then activated with a call for heat. To turn this feature off, lower the setting to its lowest level of 20%. Menu item 14, independent humidification. When on is selected, the HM2 output operates when humidity levels are below the desired humidification setting. Menu item 15 is compressor lockout. When on is selected, you have a 5-minute time delay between compressor cycles. The LEDs will illuminate, indicating that the module is communicating with the thermostat in the equipment. When they blink, there is a call.